Kabishi, this is Adriana Corralde. So, ngayon, guys, magde-deliver tayo ng ice candy. So, 30, 60, 90 pieces ang ating ice candy. I-deliver natin sa dalawang Asian market.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. My beautiful daughter, Safo. May flavor tayong tatlong flavor, buko pandan, mango, at saka ubi. So, ganito ang life namin, guys. Pag wala kaming pasok, wala akong trabaho, di-deliver ako ng ice candy. Ganun talaga. Kailangan natin hanap ng mapagkakakitaan. O, diba? We will go to Kuya since Safo was already taking a nap. Mayroon siyang orexy. So, hindi na siya matutulog sa bus. So, thank you for watching, guys. You love Mommy's ice candy. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Mama. Kuya. Wait.
You like my ice candy?
Yes.
That's buko pandan. Are you Filipina?
Yeah. Yeah. Give me heart.
Yeah, show me how you open it.
I know.
Show me how you open it. So that people knows that you are Filipina. Come here. Psst. Ella. They gani. Shh. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.